Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. This is yellow color. This is red color. Kids, this is violet color. Kids, this is green color. Kids, this is brown color. Kids, this is pink color. Kids, इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C. Let's trace. Kids, we are tracing letter A. Kids, this is letter B. Now kids, this is letter C. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A for apple. This is letter B. B for ball. This is letter C. C for cat. Kids, we are tracing letter D. This is letter E. Kids, this is letter F. Kids, we are tracing letter D. D for duck. This is letter E. E for eagle. F for fish. Kids, we are pressing letter G. This is letter H. Kids, this is letter I. Now kids, we are pressing letter G. G for got. This is letter H. H for hand. This is letter I for igloo. Kids, we are pressing letter J. And this is letter K. Kids, this is letter L. Kids, we are tracing letter J. J for juice. This is letter K. K for kite. This is letter L. L for loin. Kids, we are tracing letter M. Now kids, we are tracing letter N. This is letter O. Kids, this is letter M. M for monkey. Now kids, this is letter N. N for nest. This is letter O. O for octopus. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for fish. G for got. H for hand. I for igloo. J for jaguar. K for kite. L for loin. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.